Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, SharePoint column formatting is a very common requirement nowadays with many organizations need it at some point, those who use SharePoint online especially. So guys, one common requirement is like especially if you have Power App source, Power App form and SharePoint as data source, like you have a text field in SharePoint, but in Power App it is accepting values as a URL, okay, where you have applied all the formatting, validations, etc. Now some people have access to backend data source. They would like to see the SharePoint text field as URL. Okay, although you have formatted it as text, they want to still see it as URL, and there could be other scenarios too. So how you can do? Just edit the column and in formatting put this JSON as you see on the screen, and also it will go in the description, and then it should work. It is working perfectly for me. So thanks for watching this guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.